Morning YouTube. Today we're going to change the oil in the caddy again. So it's time to change the oil and reset the engine oil life monitor on the dash. That's in a separate video. I have a link down below. All right, let's get started. Set it up on ramps. Need some Dexos oil. 6 quarts. Oil filter. Funnel. Pan to catch the oil. Need a wrench for the oil filter. 15mm wrench for the drain plug. Put some fresh oil on the oil filter seal. Lubricate the seal. Fresh oil. Put it back on. Alright, you don't have to go crazy tightening it up. As soon as it makes contact with the base, give it a quarter turn. It should be snug enough not to work itself loose. If you're unsure or worry like I do, I give it an extra monkey turn. But I'm confident that it won't come apart. That's just to satisfy my OCD. Replace the crush washer on the oil drain plug before reinstalling it. So you're gonna need 6 quarts of 5W30 Dexos oil. Okay, that's good.
No, I know that I'm not all that you got. I guess that I just thought maybe we could find new ways to fall apart. But our friends are back, so let's raise a toast. 'Cause I found someone to carry me home tonight. We are young.
Gonna check for leaks. Start it up. Run it a couple minutes. And check the level again. Make sure it's okay. Oh, wait for the oil to circulate through the filter. Gonna check brake level, fluid, which is good. Cooling water. Which is good. Alright. Let's shut her off, check the level again. She should be good to go. Right at the marks. Good to go. Double check for leaks and get her off the ramps.
We can burn brighter than the sun tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification icon for the latest videos as they are released. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Ciao for now.
I'll carry you home tonight.
See you later.